comes to the business side, because we want to make coaching accessible, because we really want to connect with so many people out there, and not a lot of people can either afford or have the capacity for one-to-one coaching. And so one of the things that we have heard people say time and time again is do something online. How do we get to the many? How do we work with, instead of one-to-one, the one-to-many, the groups, the organizations and stuff like that. And even so people who are independent, those people who want something online, we hear that as well. And so we're working with a team of people who have some amazing creativity and ideas that's taking information out of my head and Christopher's head and producing what I know is going to be an amazing program. So that's kind of the initiatives we're working on, is how do we get to the one-to-many group, as well as how do we really help leaders and their teams, right? Because the leaders only can do so much. The true work and the true reward I find is in teams, right? And so we're working on some initiatives of, when we talk about our showcases. So if you've never seen any of our showcases, and here's the thing, the showcase are 100% complimentary. They're complimentary. This is a great way for you to get a taste test of what our showcase looks like. And there's 3 main showcases that we have out there. So you'll have to go to StrategicLeader.ca to check them out. But it's designed to help teams, it's designed to help the leaders, and it's really designed to help our community. So you may not be on a team, you may not be a leader, but you want to learn how to build better relationships with maybe your community, your association, your friends, your significant other. The showcases are going to be definitely for you. And then you will also see a lot of the online content that is going to be relevant for what's happening today. Either a leader or someone who's in careers that is just not sure what they want to do. We're gonna help you through it. And I can tell you, I know everyone promises this, but these programs I don't think there's anything that you've seen out there, because they're relevant and they create a back door, so to speak, back to us as coachings. We don't want to just sell you something and you go off and bugger off and do your thing. We want to create an opportunity where you can also full circle reach back out to us and ask questions and actually get our guidance to ensure that you personally have a coaching culture.